I actually think entrepreneurship isn't meant to be enjoyable. It's just a test on who could stick it out the longest, of doing the most monotonous shit and learning. And good morning, everybody. Currently 8:07 in the morning, day 18, road to 600K. Oh man, yesterday I think I trained a little bit too hard. I ended up coming back from the shop early and just crashing. So I took a 2-hour nap, just feeling so sick. It's the thing, I think if I train too hard and I don't get the proper nutrition and all that, then it just puts you down. But anyway, we ended up sleeping in a little bit. Not doing training today, kickboxing training today. I think what I'll do is I'll just do a workout, just a home workout, something like, not really sure what yet. Just checked into my office, work computer, see what meetings I have. Gonna make some breakfast. And the plan is to go to the shop. I'll record some more content of the actual machining of those brass pieces, as well as the aluminum pieces. We have one order that needs to get delivered today. Those parts are ready for pickup from the platers, so my machinist will pick them up on his way into the office or into the shop. Then I'll stop by, pick them up, and deliver them to the customer. Let's see, what else? I think that's about it for today. Gonna make some breakfast right now. Keep you guys updated. All right, everybody. I'm gonna do my workout. I'll just do a home workout, 300 squats. It's getting a little bit late. So just gonna finish those up, get ready, do some work, then I'll head to the office. Today I'm also working from home technically, so it's a little bit easier, but I have to go into the office to do some things. All right, that's the plan, 300 squats. So let me just get here. Okay, 300 squats done. We're gonna go for a cold shower, followed by some cold shower thoughts, number 18 today. See you after. Hello, everybody. Cold shower 18 done. For those of you just joining us, currently I've been taking a cold shower every day, 18 days in a row, every single morning. And after, I always do a segment called Cold Shower Thoughts, where I just give my thoughts that I have during the cold shower. So for today, what I want to talk about is, let's see. Today I want to talk about having a job, the importance of a job, an income stream, and also possibly the importance of degree to some extent. So let's start with talking about a job. I think having a solid income stream is incredibly important, especially if you're starting up a business. Business is extremely uncertain. There are times where I've had revenue of $50,000 a month, and there were times where I've had revenue of $0. Right? It's incredibly volatile in the industry. Until you've been established, you have a big customer base, and you understand the workings of a business, it's incredibly unstable, incredibly volatile. So you need something a little bit stable, and that's a job. And that was the biggest mistake, is to leave that job, because when the work was low, we were struggling. So now that I have my job, doing well, creating some amazing products for my company, as well as working on this business on the side, I've hired a machinist. He's making all the parts. I don't have to do much. I just have to get the orders to him. Things are slowly progressing. Now, it may go slower, but it doesn't matter. You have that stability. Never leave an income source. Never. Until you replace it with another one. Now, with regards to degree,
In all honesty, I got my job because of my master's degree in engineering. People may say a degree is not needed. I think a degree is not really needed if you're going into something useless. Like, for example, if you're studying psychology, but you're gonna not be a psychiatrist or anything related to that field, then I think it's useless. To go to get a degree just to get a degree is useless. But to do a degree with a goal in mind, for example, becoming a mechanical engineer or becoming some type of engineer or doctor or lawyer, those are incredibly important professions. Society will not run without those professions. They all require a higher level of education, which is given through that degree. Proof is through that degree that you have that education, that you've passed that education. During my master's program, I met a senior level director at the company that I currently worked for. I impressed him with my design project. He ultimately gave me a job. Now I'm working on some pretty incredible tools for semiconductor inspection. A degree is incredibly important, especially if you want to do some field of engineering. I mean, nowadays you can kind of get away with, if you're going into CS or software, there's a lot of courses that are available without the degree. So it's really up to you to make the decision. Although if you do pursue a degree, you need to have that goal in mind of what you want to do. You need to use it. It can't just be an investment that's just wasted. So that's it for Cold Shower Thoughts. Thank you guys for joining me. Day 18, done. Gonna get ready, head to office. Then I'll see you guys back at the shop. Peace. Okay, everybody, got ready, heading off to the office now to do some work. See you guys after, back at the shop. All right, everybody, done with work. I'm heading back to the shop, but today it's gonna be a little bit different. I gotta do my laundry. Didn't get a chance to do it this weekend. I don't have any clothes. So I'm gonna do my laundry and then head back to the shop. Those brass pieces are finished, so I'll have you take a look at those to see the finished product. And then the aluminum nameplates are gonna be starting manufacturing tomorrow. And then we'll probably put everything together. So anyway, it's planned for today. Also just sending out emails. So I'm at the laundromat doing laundry. Unfortunately, I don't have a washer dryer in my studio. It's too small. I just thought of an interesting point while I'm sitting here waiting for my clothes to be washed. Something I'll share. What's not glorified in social media is just how utterly monotonous and boring the life of an entrepreneur is. I mean, not to mention all the daily shit you got to do just to maintain your lifestyle as a person. For example, doing laundry, cooking for yourself, cleaning, everything. Doing all of that takes time, takes effort. And you have to put that effort in because, I mean, you want to be a functioning individual in society, right? You don't want to be a fucking heathen. So anyway, it just got me thinking, like, all this shit is not really talked about at all. And all the boring shit in entrepreneurship is not really talked about at all either. I mean, after the first year, it's just monotonous emailing, doing the same shit over and over again. It's not even that fun. It's just you're doing it because it's good for your business. You're doing the stuff you need to do because it'll help your business, not just because it's enjoyable. I actually think entrepreneurship isn't meant to be enjoyable. It's just a test on who could stick it out the longest, of doing the most monotonous shit and learning and finding value in just doing the stuff because you know it's good for the business. Because the business is like an organism. You have to take care of it. You have to grow it and you nurture it and learn what it takes to nurture it.
And all these things are just boring. I mean, I'm an engineer. I build cool shit, and I'm out here sending emails, getting rejected, saying, I don't want to work with you, and doing outreach and putting myself on YouTube. None of this shit is stuff I really wanted to do, but it's stuff I know I need to do. And that's what entrepreneurship is. It's after the first year, oh, cool, I got the website. Oh, cool, I got the logo. Oh, we gonna go with this name. Oh, it's gonna be so exciting. And it's actual horse shit for the longest period of time because you're struggling for cash, especially if you don't have a backer or an investor. I mean, I've partnered with some people, some friends that I worked with in the beginning, and they all just told me, like, I can't, this is not something I want to be a part of just because I have other priorities. And I completely understand. I was happy they're straight up with me. They didn't string up me along, but you get to the point where it's just boring. So I don't recommend entrepreneurship because it's not really fun. It's not exciting. It becomes just something you just need to do, and then it becomes a game of who can do it the longest, and who can do it the longest without seeing any return on their work for extensive periods of time. Alright, finished with laundry, back on the shop just to check out some things. Here's the finished brass part. So this is going to be the little edge piece, and then there's going to be the actual aluminum nameplate with the engraved name that is coupled with these press fit dowel pins. So tomorrow, nameplates will be started, manufacturing on those, but I'll show you a quick close-up of this one. Yeah, these came out real good. What we're gonna do is polish them so they look absolutely flawless. Get out all the burrs, everything. They look real shiny. Getting a buffing wheel to do that. So next week, plan is ship everything to those engineers that are been loyal to us. Ship those nameplates, about 20 more in stock, ready to order. $50 a piece. I don't know, I've looked at the math, I've looked at the economics of it, see how much I can price everything at least for this batch. Although, I don't really see anything on the market like it, so be interesting. People that actually want something nice for their desk, feel free. Fuck, it's been a long night. Alright, that's the end of the video. Yeah, I'm just tired. Came back home. I was just looking through, just sending emails. I was also looking at potential products I could make with the stock I have, and then I forgot I had this presentation for my work tomorrow, so I've been working on that. Just a whole bunch of stuff. Lost track of the video. Anyways, we're gonna call it a day. I'm gonna upload this video. See you guys tomorrow. Day 18 done.